In this video, I'll show you how to fix the touchpad not working on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop. First, right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, look for Mice and Other Pointing Devices and expand it. Here, you may see your touchpad driver, such as HID-compliant mouse, Synaptics touchpad, or ELAN touchpad. Right-click on the first device and select Update Driver. Now click Search Automatically for drivers and wait for Windows to check for updates. If you see more touchpad-related devices, repeat the same steps for those as well. Next, expand Human Interface Devices. Here, look for HID-compliant touchpad. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Again, click Search Automatically for drivers. If Windows says the best driver is already installed and the touchpad still isn't working, right-click the touchpad device again and choose Update Driver. This time, click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose HID-compliant touchpad from the list and click Next. Wait for the driver to install and check if the touchpad starts working. If the issue still continues, right-click the touchpad device and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. After that, click Action at the top of Device Manager and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will now automatically reinstall the touchpad driver. Finally, restart your computer. That's it! Your touchpad should now be working properly on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.